Alright, so that's Katy Perry Roar, at least how I would like you to play it, which is actually pretty much exactly what you're hearing on the record. So the paper that you're going to get, it has on the top the four chords that you're going to play: B flat, C minor, G minor, and E flat. And then on the bottom, what you're going to do in the left hand, the bass line, which goes like this. Alright, so the right hand, I'll play it one more time by itself, sounds like this. Now, even though these chords have three notes that I showed you, which are, and then the C minor, and then the G minor, and then the E flat, you're only going to play the second two notes of each chord. The second two notes of each chord, okay? So, if you're reading from left to right, you're going to play the middle one and the one on the right. So the middle one on the right, middle one on the right, middle one on the right, okay? Because, I mean, once you really master it, you could add the third note, but it's really difficult to go. This is all three notes. So once you get the top two notes, I think then you can try it. But first we want to really get that rhythm right using, like I said, the second and third note of each chord. So for the B flat, which is, you're just going to play the one in between the chopsticks, and the F, which is right before the forks. Okay? And the first time you do it, try to just play on each beat. And then once you really get that, then we'll do the 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... Now we have to look, when does the next chord, the C minor, come in? The C minor comes in on the second half of the second measure. So that means B flat gets 6 beats, C minor gets 2, and the same thing goes for the second two chords. I mean for this second group of chords. G minor gets 6 beats, and E flat gets 2. So that's going to be like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now to the G minor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, E flat. Okay? So, the way that looks, and the way that we should do that, is first with the B flat. Like I said, we have between the chopsticks and the F. And then going from there to the C minor, we're going to move the one in between the chopsticks up to the second chopstick, the black one, and then this white one, the F, over 1 to a G. So we go from here to here, and then from the C minor to get to a G, all we have to do, we're going to keep this one the same, and we're going to bring that pointer back down to the D in between the chopsticks. So there's our G, and then to go from the G minor to the E flat, we're just going to move that pointer back up. So here we go. For the B flat, we just have, then to the C minor, then to the G minor. This one stays the same, this one came down one, and then the E flat is exactly the same as the C minor. Okay, because the only thing that changed was this note over here. So being we're playing only those second two notes, it happens to be the same two notes in there as the C minor. Okay, so all together. So that's that. Now we have to get over to the left hand. The left hand rhythm is really easy. It just goes B flat, 2, 3, 4. B flat, C, G, 2, 3, 4, G, E flat, B flat. So let's see how that sounds. And the other thing is we want to put our hands in a way that we don't have to look at them and we just know where the hands are. So I'm going to try to find out the lowest note in this bass line is B flat. No, I'm sorry, the lowest note is G. So I'm going to use my pinky for the G, and the highest note is E flat. So I'm going to use my thumb for the E flat. And then in the middle I have the B flat. I'm going to use my middle finger for the B flat. And I have a C. I'm going to use my pointer for the C. So without moving my hand, I have B flat, 2, 3, 4, B flat, C, G, G, E flat, B flat. So I don't even have to look, I just know that which finger is on top of each note. So now when I put the two together, let's see, I have and that's just like the recording. That's really just like it. So that's the whole song. Work hard, you could do it, and I'll see you at school.